Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got DW back in the building again, bringing us an awesome watch face as he always brings. Now the name of this one is called DW54. Very nice looking watch face when it's on. Now in always on mode, I really like this slick look. Here's another one of them AOD modes, which I wish it was an actual watch face. It looks awesome. Now when the watch face is on, you're greeted with everything. You have tons of information on this watch face. Now starting at the top, you get your battery percentage. You come down, you get a nice big bold digital time. Also you get a moon phase too as well that I like. Up under the time, you're gonna get your date, your year, your day. Also over here is your step status info. You get heart rate, miles walked or ran, your steps, and this little meter right here represents your goal you have completed that you have set for yourself. And as you can see, you got a slight animation going on that side as well, which is definitely a unique look, right? You get your calories burned, you get your floors climbed as well, and it is interactive. So if I tap on the moon, I can pull up my weather. So I thought that was pretty slick. I mean, you get your step info as well. I mean, you can go around and you can tap in different places and it'll bring up your calendar. So it gives you a lot with this watch face, considering the price, and it's always affordable in the Gear Manager store. Okay, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. Listen, I hope this helps you through hump day. And if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.